Today, we will learn representation of fractions on the number line. We have already learned how to represent whole numbers on the number line. Just think, can we represent fractions on the number line similar to whole numbers? Yes. We can also represent fractions on the number line. We will discuss this in detail in this video. Here is a paper. Consider that we have divided it into 4 equal parts. When we look at these 4 parts collectively, this represents a whole. If we take one part out of 4 parts of the paper, then this part is 1/4 fraction of the whole part. Let's represent it on the number line. In order to do this, we will make a number line. To represent the fraction in a convenient way, we will keep the unit distance larger. Since we have made 4 equal parts of the paper, let's divide all the unit distances into 4 equal parts. Here, we have taken one part out of 4 parts. So let's take one part out of 4 parts on the number line and mark this as fraction 1/4. Similarly, if we take 2 parts of the paper, then we will write the fraction for it as 2/4. Can you tell how to represent this on the number line? Think for a while. You've got it right. To represent this, we will take 2 parts on the number line and we will mark the position as fraction 2/4. Similarly, we can represent fraction 3/4 on the number line by taking 3 parts. If we take 4 equal parts out of 4 parts, then the fraction will be 4/4, which is 4/4 is equal to 1. In this way, we can represent any fraction on the number line. Suppose we have to represent 3/5 on the number line. In order to do this, first, we will make a number line. Since the denominator of this fraction is 5, it tells us that a whole is divided into 5 equal parts. So, we will divide the distance between the points, which is also called as unit distance, into 5 equal parts. Similarly, the numerator 3 tells us that 3 parts are taken out of the 5 equal parts. That means one part on the number line will be 1/5, 2 parts 2/5, 3 parts will be 3/5, 4 parts 4/5. Similarly, if 5 out of 5 parts are taken, then the fraction will be 5/5. Can you find the position of 5/5 on the number line? Absolutely correct. This will be the position of 1. That is, 5/5 is equal to 1. In short, to represent any fraction a/b on the number line, first, we will divide unit distance into b equal parts and then count a number of parts from 0 and represent the fraction a/b. Today, we have learnt representation of fractions on the number line. In the next video, we will see some examples on the representation of fractions on the number line.